Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Stefan. I know it's been a while I uploaded a new video. That's because I've been going through some moving and settling in. Right now I'm finally settled, so I'll be bringing you guys weekly updates on anything that has to do with investing in the stock market, building wealth, and gaining financial freedom. I'm also a software engineer, so I'll be making videos on how to get into the tech scene and build a career in technology. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, well, congratulations. Today's your lucky day. You're in the right place. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. Robinhood is basically a very popular application that so many people are using these days to buy stocks, buy index funds, and buy cryptocurrencies. So many people use this application because it's easily used, it's very beginner friendly, and most importantly, it is free. You do not have to pay anything to download this app. You do not have to pay anything to buy and sell stocks on this app. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to get right into the real deal. Right now we are in, and just by scrolling up and down, you can easily tell that the application is very easy to use. There isn't so much going on. So right at the top, it tells you how much you're investing. If you are not investing anything, I think it's probably going to tell you $0 there. I'm going to blur out how much I'm investing because I don't want you guys to see it right now. I am going to reveal it at some point, so you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. So below that, it gives you your buying power. It tells you your buying power. So right now my buying power is $2,000. That is the money you have available to buy stocks. And then just below that, it gives you like some random news on stuff. This is not very important for now, especially for our purpose. And then you have the stocks that you own. So for somebody who is just starting, obviously you wouldn't have any stocks on these stocks that you own list. Before you can buy or sell stocks on Robinhood, definitely you need money. And like I said before, your buying power is how much you have available to buy stocks. So to be able to add more money, I'm just going to briefly go through that because it is important. Okay, you click the bottom right icon, the account icon, and then it takes you to this page where it says transfers. That is where you want to click. Transfers, deposits, and withdrawals. That is definitely where you want to click. Where it says transfer to Robinhood with the green icon by the left, you click there and you input the amount you want to deposit into your account. So for me, I'm going to just put $100 now. Review and hit submit. Okay, so yeah, I think not everybody's going to have this page because this has to do with margin. Because I have margin, I have Robinhood Gold. I mean, that's another topic for another day, but basically margins is like money you borrow from Robinhood to invest. Okay, so click continue and it gives you this like congratulations sign. You have deposited this amount of money and you have it available instantly. So even before Robinhood completes that transaction, usually it takes like maybe 2 to 5 business days to complete that transaction, but you still have the money available to invest. Okay, I'm gonna click done right now and voila, you are now in business. I just remember that probably maybe some people don't yet have a bank account linked to their Robinhood accounts. So to do that, you would want to go to transfers and then you scroll down. There is this place that says linked accounts. So I have 2 accounts linked right now. So what you want to do is click add accounts. From here you can continue input your account details, whatever bank. The process is also very easy. But if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out in the comment section or reach out to me directly, and yeah, I'll be sure to answer your questions. You see now my buying power has gone up from 2,000 to $2,100. Um, so that's good. You now probably have money in your account. So to continue with our process, we want to go to the search icon, which is down at the bottom in the middle. That is where you want to click. Just click that icon and it tells you browse. So these are random notifications that are coming from Robinhood. That is not important for right now. Okay, Robinhood is just so lovely. I mean, people just like it because now you have, even without you knowing anything, you can see from your screen that there is this already made list by Robinhood. So it has crypto, daily movers, 100 most popular, just so many different lists. So if I click on 100 most popular, these are the 100 most popular stocks on Robinhood. There is Apple, Tesla, and AMC, stuff like that. So you can just click any of the stocks here and buy them easily. Or you can go back to the browse and you search if you're looking for something specific. For example, let's say you're looking for Nike. You can go to Nike and boom, this is Nike right here. So Robinhood gives you details on like today. So Nike has gone down 2% today. 1 week ago, you see Nike has been on a downward trend in the past week. One month. I mean, this is basically almost every stock on Robinhood because yeah, the past month has been a little bad, but not too bad. And then past 3 months just like that. So, and yeah, wow, it's gone up 100% the past year. I mean, I would expect that because in February things were so bad, and now this is, sorry, in March things were so bad, and now this is March, and yeah, things are definitely recovering, and that's why you see it so right up there. Robinhood can go as far as 5 years. That is the maximum it's gonna give you. I mean, there's nothing you can do about that. If you want to see even more time, there is nothing you can do about that on Robinhood. That's just how it is right now. And then they have these little statistics on the stock. Open, that is how much it opened at. High, that is the highest price it has gone up to for the day. Low, obviously that is the lowest price it has gone to for the day. And it gives you this 52-week high, 52-week low, and volume like 4.85 million people. Those are the number of people that are trading Nike stock today. So you see, a lot of people are in this business. That's why I definitely need to get into. I mean, you can't be left behind. If you click this info icon just right here, you see it basically tells you everything that is on the stats. A lot of people don't know this, but yeah, this is like a pro tip. So open basically what I've been saying, all of this stuff. So if you don't know anything, you can just get this stuff from here. PE ratio, this is price per earnings ratio. So basically, PE ratio is the cost for each dollar of earnings. I know that can be complicated, but like today, I'm not here to define all of these terms. I'm just basically here to show you how to buy and sell stocks. So yeah. Dividends, this is how much the company is going to pay you, maybe quarterly, maybe yearly, maybe even monthly, just for owning their shares. So yeah, I always love shares that pay dividends, and in other videos I'm going to talk about dividends and growth stocks. Okay, but for today, let's get back into what we were saying, and just going downwards again, you see news, not too important. Analysts ratings, 88% of people are saying you should buy Nike. 3% of the analysts are saying you should not buy it, just like that. And bulls, these are the people that think the stock is going to do well. And then bears, these are the people that think the stock is going to do bad. Well, I think Nike is going to do well, so I would consider myself a bull. And then not everybody would have this part that says research report, which is gold. If you have a gold account, that is when you can be able to access this. So yeah, I mean, there's just too much. So to actually buy shares in Nike, what you want to do is go to the bottom right corner where it says trade. You want to click that and you go to buy, and here it presents this screen that has the number of shares you want to buy. It tells you the price that Nike is going at right now. So if you don't have up to $133 to buy Nike for right now, what you can do is go to the top right where it says shares, the drop down there. You want to click that, and you can also be able to buy in dollars. That is a cool stuff that Robinhood introduced not up to 1 year ago, for people to be able to buy fractional shares if you have very little amount of money and you want to be able to buy stocks in a company where their stock is actually high. With fractional shares, you can be able to buy less than one share, a fraction of that company. So it is really cool. I mean, that also pulled a lot of people to use Robinhood because so many people don't have too much money to waste on one. I wouldn't say waste. So many people don't have too much money to put in one company. So right here, I can now enter how much I would want to buy Nike. So I can say $1 and review and swipe up to submit. I just swiped, and yeah, it already says Nike order completed. And yeah, congratulations, you are now a proud owner of a portion of Nike. So that is it. Very, very easy to buy stocks. Also, you can be able to do limit orders. So let me go back here to trade and buy, and where it says dollars, I want to go there and go to conditional orders and do the second one, which says limit order. So here, for example, the markets have closed and they cannot be able to execute your order instantly, or maybe you just want to wait for when the price of a stock has dropped. What you can do is place a limit. So if this stock doesn't drop to this limit, then you don't want to buy this stock. Or maybe if this stock goes above this limit, then you don't want to buy it. So here now the market price is $133. I can say I want my limit to be $100. Obviously, it is not gonna get here anytime soon. So we do continue, and right here it says set trading hours. So either you want to go with market hours, which is 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., or you want to do extended hours. Extended hours has a lot of volatility, but usually I don't mind extended hours. So I'll just do extended hours and then continue. And you can choose if you want it to be done today. Like if it's not done today, then they should cancel it, or it can get up to 90 days. So I'm just gonna say today and then go continue. And number of shares I want to buy just one, review, and then swipe up to submit. And yeah, the order has been placed. I click done. So if you scroll down, it says upcoming activity. Here you see your Nike limit buy. You've placed this order, the time, and whatever date. So here you can easily cancel this order. Right now I'm just going to cancel it because I was just doing it for the purposes of this video. Yep, order has been cancelled. So that is it. That is how you can easily buy stocks in a company. So now I'm going to go to how you can sell a stock. So in our case, Nike, we have 99 cents worth of Nike, and to sell it is so easy. You can just sell it right on the spot and you have your money. So I'm gonna do trade, the same button. at the bottom right, and then you click sell. Now you see there is a sell option there. Before we only had the buy and the trade options, and now there is a sell. So I want to click on the sell, and you basically input how much of Nike you want to sell. So it's just $1. I'm just gonna say sell all. Sell all is just right there in the middle. I'm just gonna click sell all. That's $1, and I'm gonna go swipe up to submit. And that's it. I have my $1 back, and I no longer have shares in Nike. So keep in mind that you can also do conditional orders when you are selling stocks. You can limit the price at which you want to sell that stock at, or you can say, if this stock gets to this price, then I want Robinhood to sell it for me. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I'll leave links to Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Webull. You can follow the links and sign up. You'll get a free stock, and I'll also get a free stock. If you've enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up for the video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. I'll appreciate any comments, concerns in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to reply to all of your comments. Until next time, I'll see you all later.